Welcome back to the car updates. The 2026 Pontiac GTO is here, and it's a beast. When you hear the name GTO, you immediately think of American muscle, raw power, and that unmistakable aggressive stance. And Pontiac has not disappointed with the latest iteration of this legendary nameplate. The 2026 GTO brings modern engineering and cutting-edge technology while staying true to the legacy that made it a household name. Over the next 30 minutes, we're going to dive deep into what makes the 2026 Pontiac GTO special. From its powerhouse under the hood to its aggressive yet refined design and all the high-tech features packed inside. This is the GTO that muscle car fans have been waiting for. Let's start with what everyone wants to know, the engine. At the heart of the 2026 GTO is a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 that churns out a staggering 720 horsepower and 680 lb-ft of torque. This engine is a refined version of the legendary LT4 platform used in the Corvette Z06, but tuned specifically for the GTO's muscular personality. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth and lightning-fast shifts. But for the purists, Pontiac has also offered a 6-speed manual transmission option, a true gift for driving enthusiasts. This combination translates into blistering performance numbers. The GTO rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds and can cover a quarter mile in under 11 seconds. That's not just fast, that's supercar territory. The sound of the GTO is equally thrilling. The active exhaust system delivers a deep, aggressive rumble at low revs, but when you open it up, it screams like a race car. It's the kind of sound that makes the hairs on the back of your neck stand up. Pontiac has also integrated a track mode, which opens up the exhaust baffles for a more aggressive sound profile while improving throttle response and steering feel. The combination of power, sound, and handling makes the GTO not just a muscle car, but a true performance machine. Now, let's talk about the chassis and suspension. The 2026 GTO rides on a lightweight yet rigid aluminum platform that provides an excellent balance of strength and weight reduction. Pontiac has equipped the GTO with a magnetic ride control suspension system, which adjusts damping rates in real time based on road conditions and driving style. The result is a car that's equally at home on a winding mountain road as it is on a straight stretch of highway. The adaptive suspension allows the GTO to stay planted in corners while minimizing body roll, giving you the confidence to push harder through the turns. Braking performance is just as impressive. The GTO comes with massive Brembo brakes, 6-piston calipers up front and 4-piston calipers at the rear, clamping down on ventilated carbon ceramic rotors. This setup provides incredible stopping power, allowing the GTO to go from 60 to 0 miles per hour in under 100 feet. And thanks to advanced brake cooling ducts, you don't have to worry about fade during intense track sessions. Stepping inside, the 2026 GTO combines retro-inspired styling with modern luxury. The driver-focused cockpit features a flat-bottom steering wheel wrapped in Alcantara, with carbon fiber paddle shifters within easy reach. The seats are heavily bolstered Recaro Sport seats, upholstered in a combination of leather and suede, with contrast stitching and embossed GTO logos.